Low Quality Productions presents, once again. Well, I kind of lost my USB transfer cable to my phone. And I need to find it. It's not in there. I know that. Because, well, there is a DS cable in there, and there may be just a bunch of jumper wires, terminal bricks, LEDs, more cables, 6-volt power supply. I believe that's 6 volt. Might be a little more. Yeah. Nintendo Super Nintendo Entertainment System. Composite video cable. A couple of happy birthday things in that bag. Looks like a note. Nope. It's not there. I've got to put that back on top so I don't mess anything up. Not in that corner. It's behind here. No, I don't see it. There's the cable there. If it's anywhere, it's under here. It might be. Don't mention the mouse, so it's not there. Now, I've got to put that bowl downstairs. It might be down here. Yeah, I've got to log back into my computer because it decided to sleep on me. No, that's just the power cable. Where did I put that thing? Oh, well, if I find it, which I hope I do because I don't want to have to go through my Bluetooth thing again. Anyway, if I find it, well, when I find it, I'll breathe a sigh of relief. You won't be able to hear me. Anyway, thanks for watching.